ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas. And happy holidays and whatever it is that you celebrate this time of year. Happy that. And I hope today I can bring you some tidings and bring you a gift. I come bearing a gift today. I come bearing a gift of the MARSHYDRO iHubPro10. This thing, oh, over here, right here. Yep, this guy right here. I love this thing. This thing is amazing. I will post a video as well in the link description here, so you can check out my video on the Mars iHubPro10. This thing is really, really cool. I love it. It's my favorite tool from Mars right now. It just makes my growing life so much easier. And I'm gonna make one of your growing lives easier too, because I'm giving one away. Anyway, this video here serves as the giveaway contest. So is what you need to do in order to enter to win this thing is what I need you to do is comment on any one of my videos. You can comment up to 10 times, 10 entries per person. I'm limiting it so that it's not insane. 10 entries per person. So you can comment on 10 different videos, the same sentence, and you'll be entered, okay? So what I need you to do is to comment something, anything. You can just tell me a quick little story. I want that. Simple as that, but comment with this as the first word in the sentence. iHubPro10. I know it's a weird word, but it's how I filter for contest entries. All you gotta do is comment this on 10 different videos and you're entered. It's as simple as that. As far as I know, I believe they will ship Canada, US, and Europe. Probably Australia too. If somebody in Australia won, I'm sure they would make it happen. I do know they have European plugs as well as North American plugs. So you guys over there in the UK are probably going to be covered. Anyway, have a wonderful holiday, everybody. I hope this maybe made somebody's holiday a little bit better. Yeah, go check out my videos. Subscribe, like, comment on those videos to enter for the contest. I will do the giveaway announcement on New Year's Day on January 1st, 2026. Also, keep this in mind before you go away. One last final bit of warning. Do not fall for anybody in the comments saying that you won and to click this link or to do this, to do that. I will personally tell you in a video who the winner is. I will never tell you in the comments and get you to do some weird shit in the comments without having an accompanying video saying your name from my personal face. So remember that. If anything else happens, it's fishy and report it. Fuck scammers. Down with scammers, whatever. Anyway, have a good holiday, everybody. And I'll see you real soon. Cheers.